Hola, ¿qué tal? This is practice for your speaking test that you have coming up this Friday, September 7th. What's going to happen on 9-7 in class is that you're going to get a new packet of information, and in that information you're going to have some work that you need to do for the next unit. And while you're working on that, everyone is going to come through one at a time to do their speaking questions. Speaking questions, you're going to get 4 of them, and we're just going to have a little bit of a conversation. Here are all the possible questions that I could ask you, and I want you to listen to them to make sure you understand what I'm saying and you're used to me pronouncing them, and we'll go over some possible answers. So the first one, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Remember that ¿Cómo te llamas is what's your name. All this information is also available in every single video that preceded this one for La Leccion Preliminar, but here we have all the key concepts together. So after ¿Cómo te llamas?, remember that you have to have me llamo plus your name. And it should be what I generally call you in class. The second one we have not gone over a whole heck of a lot, but you certainly know how to answer it. ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? When I'm asking you that, I'm asking, how do you write your name? Or, how do you spell your name? When you answer that, you're just going to spell. You're going to spell however I would normally say your name, spell those letters out in Spanish. So, for example, for me, S, E, N, O, R, A, G, E, O, C, A, R, I, S. Good. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Remember that ¿de dónde eres is where are you from? And when you answer that, you would say soy de plus a real location that actually exists. Número 4. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Or, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Or, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Remember that I would use that with you to ask you, how are you? When you answer it with me, you would say bien, mal, regular, más o menos. But then remember, if you're going to ask and you, and you're talking to me, you have to say y usted. You may not use y tú when you're speaking with me. Número 5. ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? And that idea is, what day is today? When you answer that, remember to answer in a complete sentence. Hoy es, and then the day. Here's a trick. Because your speaking test is on a particular day, you might want to memorize this particular answer. 6. ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Remember that that one means, what's your phone number? When you answer that one, again, remember I want you to use a complete sentence. So you would say, mi número de teléfono es, and then I want 7 digits. They may not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mix them up. Mi número de teléfono es 962 45 13. Número 7. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? What's the weather like? when you answer that one, I do want it to be truthful, so look outside. It's probably going to be hace sol, or hace calor, or we're at that weird time of year where it might llueve. Good. Right now, I'm going to practice. Feel free to answer after I ask you a question. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? Good. Remember, if you have specific questions, come on in and ask me before school or after school or at the start of class. Thanks.